Phuoc Industrial Park and Port is located in Hamlet 5, Provincial Road 826B, Can Duc District, Long An Province, and belongs to the Southern Key Economic Zone. Long An is located in the heart of the Mekong Delta's economic and traffic development, with two major rivers, namely Vem Co Dong and Vem Co Tay River, merging with the Sai Rap River, heading to the East Sea and the Long An International Port. It's convenient for investors to travel to adjacent provinces from the industrial park. The strategic location allows Phuoc Industrial Park to possess the advantage in road transport routes such as Provincial Road 826B, which runs alongside the project linking to National Highway 50, adjacent to Ring Roads 3 and 4. This is a convenient location for transportation both by road and by waterway. The distance from Ben Tan Market is 44 kilometers. The distance from Pho Meong, 36 kilometers. The distance from Cat Lai Port is 48 kilometers. The distance from Long An International Port, 20 kilometers. And the distance from Kai Mep Port is 63 kilometers. Phuoc Industrial Park and Port, with a total size of 128.8 hectares, was established as a project based on the investor's passion and efforts. Ready-built factory is flexible and equipped with a rooftop solar power system with a capacity of about 32 MW. The site clearance work at Phuoc Industrial Park and Port is 100% completed, as is the installation of technological infrastructure, traffic, operator, fencing, and suitable electrical connections in compliance with the issued construction permission to receive secondary investors. The industrial park is also committed to long-term sustainability by investing in a 3-0 wastewater treatment system, which is colorless, odorless, and noiseless, reducing environmental effect. The same solar power system providing nearly 32 MVA is under construction to help supplement the production energy supply. To maintain fresh air, the Green Park area is more than 15 hectares in size. The 3-story office building has been completed and put into operation, with a total floor area of 2,830 meters squared, including a ground floor of 970 meters squared for the industrial park's executive board, and the second and third floors of 1,800 meters squared office space for lease. IMG Phuoc Dong Joint Stock Company has invested in Phuoc Industrial Park and Port. The investor has developed it with all passion to build a model industrial park with a spacious and cohesive layout based on a meticulous investment strategy and strategic vision. Makes the most of nearly 4 kilometers of riverside by planting over 1,900 trees to create a unique facade for the industrial park that only this project can provide. IMG Phuoc Joint Stock Company has shown enthusiasm and effort for 12 years since its establishment, up to this very moment when Phuoc Industrial Park and Port has come into operation. On March 21, 2021, Prime Minister Nguyen Xuan Phuc, now President, was honored to visit and cut the ribbon to officially inaugurate Phuoc Industrial Park and Port. Permanent Deputy Prime Minister Jung Hwa Bin joined the Prime Minister at the opening ceremony, as did leaders from a number of ministries, agencies, and businesses. The Provincial Party Committee Secretary, the Chairman of the Provincial People's Council, the Standing Deputy Secretary of the Provincial Party Committee, the Chairman of the Provincial People's Committee, and other top officials from Long An Province were there. On December 12th, the Phuoc Industrial Park and Port project excellently surpassed many other projects to be honored with the Silver Award at the Second National Urban Planning Award ceremony of 2020. The National Urban Planning Award, or VUPA ceremony, is held by the Vietnam Urban Planning and Development Association, the VUPDA, every 2 years with the consent and support of the Prime Minister, and with the sponsorship of the Ministry of Construction, Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, and Vietnam Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the VCCI. The award aims to honor organizations, businesses, and individuals that have made outstanding contributions to the planning and development of urban and rural areas in Vietnam, as well as strengthen the position and role of urban planning and development management. IMG Phuoc International Port, a transshipment port of commodities in the southwest region, will be built and put into operation by 2022. Satisfying the growing transportation demand for domestic routes and releasing overcapacity on the Vietnam-Cambodia marine route. This will be beneficial not only to investors in the industrial park, but also to small and medium businesses, as it will provide a two-way economic lever for them to import and export goods to other nations in the region. In his remarks at the inauguration ceremony, Prime Minister Nguyen Xuan Phuc, now president, recognized and highly appreciated the efforts and investment attraction successes of Long An province in the past. Despite numerous challenges, the province has fulfilled a number of tasks and objectives, with significant contributions from enterprises and investors. Phuoc Dong Industrial Park and Port in particular is an economic shining spot in Long An province. Currently, many local and foreign businesses have received land and factories from Phuoc Dong Industrial Park and Port. Businesses swiftly completed the construction and soon began manufacturing. Furthermore, secondary investors are always welcomed to invest and work at Phuoc Dong Industrial Park and Port.